trash in that.
You do my water?
Yeah.
Did you get hot cocoa with oat milk?
Yeah.
Did you know oat milk has more sugar than regular milk?
I like the flavor.
Oh my.
For your mom. Your dad already got.
I can help pick stuff out.
I got your dad like.
Did you have it delivered?
Down jacket.
Ooh.
Oh my god, her nails are so long.
I know. Yeah, they grow so fast. Okay, I tried to cut it myself.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Ah, Mia!
Don't judge.
It's kind of ugly.
Old man.
Are you so comfy, Mia? Come here, kiss Mia.
Why, when the camera's on, you won't do it?
Whoa. Seriously?
Hindi rin siya makuha do, promise.
It's like you're catching a spider.
Yeah, I'm like, may mong whole hand mas lisod. Layo! Oh, di ba? Si Mami every time, look na tayo. This is how we do it, guys. Mas lisod kung one kayo.
You guys want beefsteak for tomorrow?
Straighten your leg.
It is straight!
Your other leg.
Which one?
That is not, is that really the dance?
I don't know.
Getting disciplined right now, hold on.
Noon sa dem pillow.
Unsa day?
Watch, butter was something in the pillow.
In the hole of the pillow? Oh my god. I wonder what it is, Mia Bear.
It's earrings.
Oh, I forgot to put something para makakuhan. Para maagdan.
Okay, ready? It's a bell!
Oh my
She keeps
god.
escaping. Oh, Mia! Mia's like, I hate this gift.
Baka naman gusto niya, grabe.
Say thank you,
There's another one
Mia.
coming. That's
Oh my god. Are you opening it now?
I'm opening it.
It's tea. It's from.
Oh, you okay lang?
Okay, nabangga ang kuha.
It's hot
chocolate.
chocolate. No, it's not.
What's that?
What is it? Oh my god, it's...
Oh, hair tie. Still the hair tie. Oh, you're looking a lot for your long hair.
2, 1. And with it in Target. Cheers! Happy New Year,
Enough? Napabitaw enough, diba?
okay enough for point C.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if she just fell forward?
I love you. Be a good girl.
There are deer paws in the dirt. Are you sure? Those don't look like dog paws. Are you smelling the dung?
Yeah, that's a
Deer dung?
That's a deer.
Look at that red bird. Look. Right there. Where? Oh! I see it. I see. Am I The squirrel has not moved. I'm concerned that it's not a squirrel.